Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today what we're going to talk about is something that's really important. It is kind of concerning. So what I did is basically I got a new flagship phone, right? So the problem is, I didn't get a fast charger in the box. So it's kind of hard these days, and like your phone, recently most of the flagship phones stopped including chargers in box, like Samsung and Apple. But like my problem is I received a fast charger. I received a charger in box, but like my phone is also able to do a fast charging. So that is kind of concerning that I just can't use it right now. So what I did is recently, as I showed in my previous video, I got a ThinkPad. So that's a laptop, and what happens is I got a charger with that. Since this thing is like 65 watt, like hyper fast. For today's standards, it's gotta be okay. Well, before the fastest were like 40 watt. Well, like today's standards, we go up to 120 watts. So this has gotta be good for a fast and consistent charging. So what I did is, I have a Lenovo charger. Well, you can go ahead and get a Chromebook. Myself, I got the ThinkPad, so I have this charger right now with me. So what Motorola claims is, they say they give you a fast charger in box. They call it the turbocharge, the turbo connect. So the issue is the turbo connect is 15 watt charger. So when you connect the turbo connect, turbo power. So as you can see, it says the turbo power. Well, I might just change the lighting so that you can have a clear view on that, but it's still hard to see. So it says turbo power connected. So that's something that I want to put out there. Got the lighting back in place. So as I was saying, what I did, you can also get these charger. So these are type C, so you get 65 watt charging just from, for a cheap price. Mostly you don't find authentic chargers for these devices. Once they don't include it, they are not included by the brand, they will never be. So that's an issue. But the problem is, the solution is that, as you can see, it detects it as the turbo power. So basically what the phone does is it takes gets the energy inside. But this is going to be a cheap solution for fast charging and at the same time safe charging. You're not overloading your device. So basically, if it was something else different which was harmful for your device, your phone would basically say, please remove the charger. Well, that was not the case for this one. So how to get fast, reliable, and consistent charging? Well, for cheap price, you can get these chargers. And these are basically 65 watt chargers. And if you have that laptop, it's really It's really an advantage since you're going to charge your laptop and your phone at high speeds. So that's kind of it for the video. And the point of the video is just basically to explain to you guys that if you don't have fast charger included in box, I got a solution. So it's basically perfect, and that's it for this video. And as I was mentioning in the video, about the ThinkPad, so I'm gonna make a review on all the unboxed laptops I have. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Peace.